Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I'm in the house with the Reeve knives, large Sebenza 31, with some pretty cool inlay and pretty cool blade. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of pretty cool content right over here. Would you look at what you find inside the box? That is a leather pouch, which is pretty cool. And then you're gonna find this leaflet with some instructions on how to assemble your Sebenza, you know, a nice decal and your birthday card and certificate of authenticity. And then you're gonna find this pretty cool knife right over here. And then of course you've got your Reeve knives microfiber cloth, and they also are super kind to provide you Loctite for the pivot and some fluorinated grease for the bearings, and of course, like the tool, the Allen key to take this guy apart, because it's going to be a breeze. It's going to be pretty straightforward to take this guy apart and disassemble and maintain it. So check this out. This is a beauty of a knife, guys. It's fantastic. Chad Nichols ladder Damascus box elder burl inlays. This guy is overall 25 inch long overall, with a 3.6 inch long blade and 4.7 inch long handle. It's a beauty. It's a classic. It's the Sebenza 31. This is the large version. You can also find a small version for this guy, and it's just a beauty. This particular model here is the last iteration of the Sebenza model, and it's the 31. So the evolution from the 21, and there's some little improvements done on this one. But I mean, guys, this is a classic one. It's a beautiful frame lock, nicely done indeed, with an evergreen design. It's something like pretty popular, and it's an iconic knife. Beautiful drop point blade, fantastic hollow grind. Would you look at the ladder Damascus on this one? Just gorgeous. And this box elder burl inlay is just fantastic. Both sides, of course. Titanium frame lock. There's a ceramic detent which also acts as a lock face insert, let's say. Nice inlays reminiscent of the annual design. You have a nice standoff, lanyard, in this case with some pretty cool mammoth bead. Very simple construction. It's a pretty cool one, guys. Titanium tip-up carry pocket clip. It's pretty solid in the design, like really good functionally. Nice dual tone finish for the handle. You can see it's satin and blasted on the sides. I mean, it's a pretty cool knife indeed. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.